Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hassan ID Tricks. Today in this video I will show you how we can connect our mobile WhatsApp account with laptop or PC. Let's go start. Open your browser. Write WhatsApp web in search. And click enter. Now click on first link, WhatsApp web. Now open your mobile WhatsApp. Then click on three dots at the top right corner. Now click on link devices. Then click on link a device. Now click here. Then scan your fingerprint. It starts scan QR code and logging in. It takes some time. And finally connect your mobile WhatsApp with laptop. Thanks for watching. For more informative video, please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel.